In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll to hit Security and Privacy section. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy Controls. And finally hit Permission Manager at the top to pick one of your device's features. In my case, camera. After tapping on the chosen one, you need to click on one of your apps. I will go with AliExpress from Not Allowed section. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will click on this first option, so when I tap and go back, I can see that AliExpress just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always pick any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage and click on it. Then instead of picking any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!